Hey everyone, my name is Stijn Kruidenier. I'm the head of analytics at 433, the world's largest football community. We are super excited and honored to be speaking at the Power BI User Days, where we'll be talking about the journey that 433 has gone through in relation to Power BI. This includes the learnings we have made, the pitfalls we have gone through, to where we are today, being fully automated, serving product, marketing, sales, and really capturing the football interests of millions of fans. And we will also be going into how we are looking towards the future, making sure that we use Power BI optimally to make sure that the World Cup in 2026, a peak moment for us, will be a massive success. We look forward to seeing you all there. All the best.